Meaning of French dressing.
French dressing.
French dressing.
French dressing.
French dressing. French dressing is a type of salad dressing that originated in the United States in the late 19th century. It is typically made with oil, vinegar, ketchup, sugar, and various spices, and is characterized by its tangy and slightly sweet flavor. Some variations may also include mustard, Worcestershire sauce, or garlic. French dressing is often used to dress salads or as a dipping sauce for vegetables or fried foods. It has a distinctive reddish-orange color and is a popular condiment in many American households.